here is one sum is given. We will apply continued division method. So we will write here 3434 is divided by 2312. So we will take ones up. So here we will get 2312. Then subtract it. It will give 2. It will give 2. It will give 1 and 1. Now this becomes your divisor and this becomes your dividend. So write it in dividends place. 2312. Okay. Now what we'll do? We will see whether 2's will go or not. So here in the rub we'll try it. 2's 2 2's 4, 2 2's 4, 2 1's 2 and 2 1's 2. This number is smaller than this number, means 2's will go. So here we'll write 2's 2244. Now subtract it, what will get it? Now this becomes 12. This is your 10. 12 minus 4 is 8. 10 minus 4 is 6. Then here borrow we had taken, so 2 minus 2 will be 0 and this will be 0. Now this becomes your divisor and this becomes your dividend. So here we will write 1122. Okay. Now we will see here 68. What will happen when we will multiply to 68? 68 2's. Let's see what will happen. 16, 1 carry and 30. Okay. So this number is bigger. So we have to take only 1's. So 1's 68. Okay. So 68. Then subtract it. It will 10. It becomes 10. 12 minus 8 is 4. Here 10 minus 6 is 4. Bring this down. Our division yet not complete. So what we will do? We will again complete the division first. Okay. So 68, we will see now 68 what will get. If I will write 4's, what will happen? 8 4's 32. 2 here 3 carry. So 6 4's 24. 24, 25, 26, 27. Let's see what will happen again. Okay. So big number we can take it. Okay. So by what we can divide it, so that will get the bigger number. So let's try the 6's. Okay. So what will get here? 8 6's 48. 8 here 4 carry. 6 6's 36. 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. So this number we can do, means 6's we can write 6's 408. 408. Now subtract it. It becomes 12. Okay. It becomes 3. So 12 minus 8 is 4 and 3 minus 0 is 3 and this is 0. Okay. Now what we will do? Here 34 we will divide it. Now this becomes your dividend and this is becomes your divisor. So I am writing this side so that you will come to know. Okay. So here we will write it, that is 68. It is in dividends place and 34 will be in divisors place. Okay. Now 34. Let's see 2's what will get it now. 34 2's. Okay. So 4 2's 8 and 2 2's 6. It go. So we can write it here the that 2's 68. So division is completed. So it means what? This 34, because of this 34, this division is completed. So that's why 34 is the HCF of this number. So therefore we can write the statement 34 is the HCF of 2312 and 3434. Okay. So in this we will get the HCF by continued division method. Okay. We will go ahead to next question where we'll have 3 numbers, then what will do? Okay, so I am going to write this. Hope this is understood to you. When you practice it, it will be easy for you. Okay. So let's see. Now let's see, the numbers are 1624, 5222, then 1276. These 3 numbers are there. Okay. So in such condition, what we'll take first, we'll see which are the smaller number. This is the smallest one, and the next one, and the last is this one. Okay. So what we'll do first, we'll divide this and this. Okay. So we'll write it here. 1276 will divide it by 522. Okay. Now we'll see 2s are, what will get it when we do 2s are. So 522 into 2. So we'll get 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, and 5 2s are 10. And this can go. Okay. So we'll write it 2s are 1044. Then subtract it. What will get? 6 minus 4 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. Here 2, and this becomes 0. Now this is your divisor and this becomes your dividend. So here we'll write it 522. Now we'll see here 234. 2s are, what will get it? Okay. 232 will 2s are will be 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and 2 2s are 4. So we can take it, that is 2s are, we'll write it here, 2s are 464. Now subtract it, what will get here? It becomes 12, it becomes 1, that is 11, and here will be 4. Okay. Now 12 minus 4 is 8, 11 minus 6 is 5, 4 minus 5 or 4 is 0. Now this become your divisor and this become your dividend. So we'll write it here, that is 232. Okay. Now we'll check it by what we can divide it. Okay. Now see here what we'll get it. So we'll try here 58 3s are first. Okay. 8 3s are 24, 4 here, 2 carry, 3 5s are 15, 15, 16, 17. Okay. So this number is smaller, we can try 4 also. So we'll try 4. 8 4s are 32, 2 here, 3 carry. Then 5 4s are 20, 21, 20 and 3, 23. This number is there, means what we'll get? 4s are 232. This answer will get, in this way we'll get the remainder, that is 0. Means what? This is 58 is the HCF of 522 and 1276. Okay. So now by this HCF we will divide to this number. Okay. So here we will divide it. Step 2. This is the step 1. Now step 2. We'll divide it by the HCF of this. This is the HCF. HCF 58. 58 is the HCF is the 58 of which number? That is 522 and 1276. Now by this HCF we will divide to this number. Okay. So we'll write it here, that is 1624 will divide it by, that is 58. Okay. Let's see what will get it. So we'll see how 58 2s are. What will get? 58 2s are 8 2s are 16, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, and 1 11. Okay. So what we'll do? If 3s are take 3s are had seen that number is greater, that is 172. So we'll take 2s are, that is here We'll take 2s are, that is 160. Now subtract. Here we'll get 12. It becomes 5. 12 minus 6 is 6. Now 5 minus 1 is 4 and 0. This brings us down. Here division yet to complete. So we'll complete the division now. So here we'll divide it by, let's see, 7s are. What will take the 7s are? Okay. 8, 6, 7s are 56. 6 here, 5 carry. Then 7 5s are 35. 35 and 5, 40. Okay. So that is the number we are getting. Is something wrong? So we will write it. We will try 8s also. Okay. So 8 8s are 64. 4 here and 6 carry. So here we will get now 8 5s are 40. 40 and 6, 46. What's the number? Means 8s are will go. So 8s are will write it here 464. In this way we will get the remainder 0. It shows that 58 is the HCF of 58 and 1624. Therefore we can say that 58 is the HCF. Okay. 58 is the HCF of all these three numbers. What is how to do by continued division method. Okay. Then so now we will see some word problem. How to apply this continued division method on word problem. Okay. Related with different sums are there that we are going to see. Okay. So okay. So see it here. The sum is like find the largest number that divides 220, 313 and 760, leaving remainder 3 in each case. 3 in each case. Okay. So here it is asked find the largest number of these three numbers. Okay. So largest number, by this we can understand we need to find out HCF. Okay. HCF. What the condition is given here? Leaving remainder 3. In each case remainder is 3. So first time what we'll do, from every number we'll subtract 3. So here we'll get 220 minus 3, then 313 minus 3, and what will write here? 716 minus 3. After subtracting what will get here number, that is 217 will be the number, and here 310 will be the number, and what will be the next number? That is 713. Now we'll find out the HCF of these three numbers after subtracting the 3. Okay. So we'll take this number and this number first, and then we'll take in the second step we'll take this number. Okay. So here we'll write that 310 will divide it by 270. If we take 2s, it will get the greater number than this. So we'll take 1s. So 270. Okay. So what will get here? 10. Here will be 10. So 10 minus 7 is 3. will be 10 minus 1 is 9. Here will be 0. Got it? Now this is your divisor and this is dividend. Okay. So we'll write it here 217 and then we'll divide it. Okay. So here what we'll write it? That is 93. We'll see 93 2s are what will get? 3 2s are 6 and 9 2s are 18. Okay. So this can go, we'll see 3s are 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. So this number is bigger, so we can take 2s are. So we'll write it here 2s are, that is 186. Now subtract it, what will get? 7 minus 6 is 1. Here will be 11. This will be 1. 11 minus 8 is 3. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Got it? Now what will do? This is your 31 will be your divisor and 93 will be your dividend. Now what we'll do? We'll divide it by 31. Now we'll see directly we can go, that is 31 3s are 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Means 3s are directly division can be possible. So 31 3s are 93, that is 0 0. It shows that 31 is the HCF of 217 and 310. So here we can write it HCF is 31 of 217 and 310. Now we need to see whether this is divisible by this HCF or not. So in that second step by this HCF will divide to the third number. So here we'll write it 713 divided by, that is 31. Okay. So here will be, let's see, 31 2s are. What will get? Here 31 2s are 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. If 3s are take, that will be bigger number. So we'll take 2s are, that is 62. Now subtract it. It will be 11 and it will be 6. So 11 minus 2 is 9. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now this 3 will come bring down. In this way we will get it 93. Now this will not go to continued division. We need to complete this division, long division first. So now you know that 31 3s are is 93. So we will here write 3s are 93. In this way we will get it 0 0. It shows that 31 is the HCF of all these three numbers. Okay, got it? So what we will write? HCF is 31 of which number? That is the numbers are given to 220, 330 and 716. So what need to do? If here is any such condition is given, like leaving remainder something, so that remainder need to subtract from the number, and then you are using HCF by continued division method. Okay, so in this way you can solve it. Okay, we'll take one more example, such example in which the remainder is different in for each number. Okay, so what we'll do? Okay, so find the largest number that will divide. Now the numbers I am going to change it here only. Here the numbers are 6, 23, 7, 29 and 841 and leaving remainder is 3, 9 and 1 respectively. Okay, so what is the sum is same which we earlier discussed, but here the remainder is different for each number. Okay, so here what we do? So first second number is 729 minus 9, and third number is 841 minus 1. Okay, so these numbers we are going to subtract it. After subtracting, what will get? 620, 720, and here will get 840. Now we'll find out the HCF of these three numbers. First we'll take this and this number. So here will be 720 divided by 620. So if we'll take 2's, it will be bigger numbers. So we'll take 1's, that is 620. So we'll get 0, 0 and 1. Okay. Now this becomes your divisor and this becomes your dividend. So we'll write 620. Okay. Now you know that 100 6 are 600. So we'll write it 6 are 600. Then subtract it 0, 2 and 0. Now this becomes your divisor, this becomes your dividend. So here is, we'll write it 100. Now you know that 20 5's are 100. Okay. We'll write it here 0, 0. It shows that this 20 is the HCF of 620 and 720. This is your first step. Now in the second step, by this HCF will divide to the third number. By this HCF will divide to the third number. What HCF you got? 20. By this 20 will divide to 840. So we'll divide it. So we'll take 20. 24's are, what will get? 80. Subtract it. Okay. Now you know that 22's are 40. So in this way division is complete. It shows that 20 is the HCF of these three numbers. Here we'll write 20 is the HCF of 623, 729 and 841. In this way you are going to apply this continued division method in exercise 3G. Okay, thank you.